Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the MacBook A1502. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure your device remains in optimal working condition. Let's get started with the tools you'll need for this process. You will need 1. A P5 pentalobe screwdriver to open the device. 2. A T6 Torx screwdriver for internal screws. 3. A soft brush to clean dust from the fans and vents. 4. Isopropyl alcohol and microfiber cloth for cleaning the surfaces. 5. A can of compressed air to blow out any debris. First, power off your MacBook and unplug it from any power source. Using the P5 pentalobe screwdriver, remove the 10 screws from the bottom case. Keep these screws organized by placing them in a small container. This will help during reassembly. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the bottom case off. You may need to gently pry it open, but be cautious to avoid damaging the clips. Next, let's take a look at the internals. Use the T6 Torx screwdriver to remove the screws securing the battery. This step is crucial as it ensures safety during your maintenance work. If you're unsure about handling this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the right help without any commitment. With the battery removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Using the soft brush, gently clean the fans and vents. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating, which can harm your MacBook's performance. Now, use the can of compressed air to blow out any loose debris. Be sure to hold the can upright and spray in short bursts to avoid moisture buildup inside the device. This will help maintain airflow and cooling efficiency. Once everything is clean, take your microfiber cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol and wipe down the surfaces inside. This not only removes fingerprints but also helps in preventing corrosion. Now, it's time to reassemble your MacBook. Carefully return the battery and secure it with the T6 Torx screws. Then, place the bottom case back on and reinsert the P5 pentalobe screws. Ensure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, which can strip the screws. Before powering your device back on, take a moment to check for any leftover tools or screws. A quick scan can save you from potential issues later on. If you feel overwhelmed by this process or simply don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get professional help without any hassle. Plus, you'll receive a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and pricing without any hidden fees. Finally, after reassembly, power on your MacBook A1502 and check if everything is functioning properly. Regular maintenance like this will prolong the life of your device significantly. Keep an eye out for any unusual sounds or performance issues, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance if needed. With these simple steps, your MacBook will be in great shape for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.